What's up everyone? In this video today I'm going to be doing a review of the Stihl Kombi system attachment. It is the straight shaft edging attachment. Now I got it for $180, so it is a little bit pricey for buying an edger, but I think that it is a good deal because I ballparked it getting an actual edging setup, a separate actual motor and everything, and it would have been about $300 to $400. So if you have the Kombi system and you're wanting an edger, this is definitely a route to look at going as far as for your financial situation. You're going to come out in a lot better situation as far as spending a lot less money on this than buying a whole new setup. And it's really easy to change. It probably takes me about 5 to 10 seconds to change it from the string trimmer attachment back over to this edging attachment and vice versa. So I've been really happy with it so far. One of the things I like about it, like I said, is the speed. It is adjustable on the wheel, so that works really nice. All you need is a pair of pliers. You just turn it and you adjust it as needed. So it is very nice there. I found it to be very comfortable to use. It makes a really nice edge, and what I like about the edge is that it is so much thinner than using a string trimmer. Now I recently edged my property yesterday actually with it, but it works really good because the edge on it is about that big as opposed to being this this big probably with a string trimmer. So it works a little bit better that way. I think you don't get the waviness that you have of a string trimmer, so I definitely like that part as well. And overall it just makes the look and finished product feel a lot more consistent, look a lot more professional, and it takes a lot less time. So let's go ahead and get into actually showing you how to use it, and we'll see you in a second. Another couple quick features that I would like to go ahead and cover about this before we wrap up here is I do like this protective chute here. It seems like it would protect anything from coming back and hitting you for the most part. I haven't had any issues with that. Actually, it's incredible how much less dirt, and that brings me into my second part of this, is it is incredible the amount of dirt that this thing throws compared to a string trimmer. I mean, it is basically nothing. Whenever I'm mowing, it's the dead of summer right now here in Arkansas. We're really starting to get into the hot part of the year, and so it's really dry a lot of times whenever you're edging, the dirt is, but this thing doesn't kick it up nearly as bad as a string trimmer, which means I can see a lot better. And I feel like because of these flaps and the protective stuff they have around here, it seems like it's very well built, that I'm not going to have really any concerns about flinging a rock into a window or anything as long as I'm careful with it. Another quick feature here is that this thing is really nice as far as a beginner using it. Never used an edger really before I got this product, and it is incredibly easy to use, and it does a great job with somebody with little to no experience in actual edging outside of a string trimmer. So a couple of little thoughts there. This thing is a great product and it does a great job. Alright guys, so this is concluding the review of the Stihl straight shaft Kombi attachment edger. I really like it so far. It really does speed up the edging process and help you do it faster and also cleaner, as you're seeing on your screen now. It's an incredibly clean edge. Now that edge is probably a little bit wider than normal because I've edged this piece of property with a string trimmer in the past, so it's still a little bit wider than what it would be on an edger, but it is incredibly clean and crisp. There's no junk in the cracks or anything like that in the crack of the trench that you dig. So thank you guys so much for watching today. I appreciate it. You can subscribe to my channel here. You can watch another video here. I'm really happy with this product and I highly recommend it. It's a great product that's going to save you time if you're in a lawn mowing business. So thanks for watching. Go have a great rest of your day.